Hey kids, it's Alabama Annie here on the front porch of the old home place on a beautiful spring day. And an excursion train went north up the tracks a little while ago, and I heard it blow its whistle up north of us. It made me think of a song I wrote several years ago called Train Don't Run. Ain't no standing in line at the BSU for no Saturday matinee. No Rocky Road at the ice cream parlor, been closed 20 years today. And down at the station on the Great Southern Line, grass grow between the steel rails. Train won't be on time. Train won't be on time. There ain't no gossiping on the back porch or picnic by the lake. No band playing in the park or decoration day. Down at the station of the Great Southern Line, grass grow between the steel rails. Train won't be on time. Train won't be on time. Train won't be on time. But that ain't the way it used to be. No, no. You know, there was a man on the platform, had on a pinstripe suit with Stetson hat, wingtip shoe. He's got a good leather satchel and a guitar on a string, waiting for that train from Chattanooga, bound for New Orleans, down to New Orleans. You know, down in the boxcars that ride the raggedy hobos with their tattered hats and the nasty clothes. They say, "Hey, Alabama Annie, can't you spare a dime? I ain't eaten 3 days. I need a little drink of Alabama wine." No gossiping on the back porch or picnic by the lake. No band playing in the park, no decoration day. You can wait all day, buddy, or just to hear it blow. But I tell you right now, baby, that train don't run by here no more. Train don't run by here no more. No, no. Wait all day, buddy, oh, just to hear it blow. Tell you right now, train don't run by here no more. Don't run no more. Train don't run. All right then.